What's up, fellow entrepreneurs? What if just 3 questions, when answered correctly, could skyrocket your business success? Imagine mastering the secrets that could launch your side hustle straight into the stratosphere. Stay tuned as we dive deep into these game-changing questions that have transformed ordinary side hustles into extraordinary successes. You do not want to miss this. Now, let's jump right in. Let's break it down step by step, starting with the most crucial question. Who are you serving? Yeah, imagine this. You're crafting a product that could change lives. But whose life are you changing? Are you targeting busy moms? Maybe you're targeting tech-savvy teens, or perhaps it's health-conscious retirees. You see the vast difference we're dealing with here? Understanding your audience down to their daily routines magnifies your impact. For instance, if your target audience is working parents, consider their time constraints and craft solutions that blend seamlessly right into their hectic schedules. Now let's move right into our second pivotal question. What problem are you solving? This one is about pinpointing that exact pain point that your product, that your service addresses. Say you're selling an educational toy, for example. It's not just about entertaining the kids, but helping parents educate their children in engaging ways. Here, your product is solving a clear problem. Educational engagement without parental exhaustion. Yeah, see? And you can demonstrate through stories how your product alleviates specific consumer challenges, and you'll not just sell, you'll become indispensable. Let's tackle the last question. Why do clients buy your product versus someone else's? Well, this one, my friends, is all about your unique selling proposition, or your USP. What makes your product, what makes your service not just different, but better? Is it more durable? Is it more eco-friendly? Or maybe it comes with a happiness guarantee that no one else offers. Here's where you're going to highlight those unique features through engaging real-life testimonials, real-life examples, and data that prove your point. So it's not just about having a great product. It's about delivering a solution that no other product out there can deliver. You see, here's the thing, my friends. By answering these 3 questions effectively, you can transform your business approach from shooting in the dark to sniper precision targeting. Each answer not only guides your business's decisions, but also aligns your product perfectly with your customers' needs and desires, ensuring that your side hustle not only starts strong, but continues to grow. These insights, my friends, they're not just theoretical. They're literally the pillars on which successful businesses are built every single day. Tailor your strategy around these 3 questions and watch your side hustle grow from dream to reality. So there you have it, my side hustling friends. We've just uncovered the 3 cornerstone questions that every single successful entrepreneur answers in order to thrive. It's simple, but powerful. So let me ask you a question. Which of these 3 questions do you need to focus more on? Go ahead, drop them in the comments below. Or maybe you think of a 4th one. Go ahead and tell me what that is. And for more essential side hustling tips and strategies, go ahead and click that link in the bio. Don't just dream, do. Think successfully and take action.